Hi, I'm Kristen Egler, Product Manager at Federal Signal, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the glass in a Federal Signal break glass call point. First, loosen the set screw under the tool reset knob using a hex key. Remove the knob. Loosen the two Phillips screws located on both sides of the faceplate. Remove the faceplate. And now you have access to the glass. To remove the glass, press on the bottom of the glass, press up and out to remove it. To replace it with new glass, line the glass up with the grid markers, push up towards the springs and down until you feel a click, and that's when you know it's loaded in place. Replace the faceplate, tighten the screws. Replace the tool reset knob. And that is all you need to do to replace the glass in a Federal Signal break glass call point.